Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we'll guide you through configuring the retrieve variable event in Dalfin's workflow. Start by dragging a UI trigger into the workflow. Add a title and description that clearly defines the event, then select the appropriate method, menu, and window, and click Save. Next, pull the retrieve variable event from the event library into your workflow. Provide a title and description for the event. Now, in the record selection section, you'll need to select the record ID. This is the identifier of the variable you wish to retrieve. Choose how to fetch the record. You can either use a constant value, a fixed value, or data carry from a previous node to pass in the necessary record ID. Once the variable is retrieved, you can use it in subsequent events for calculations, conditions, or data processing within your workflow. Finally, click Save and publish the workflow. Now, whenever the trigger conditions are met, Dalfin will retrieve the stored variable, and you can use it across different workflow steps as needed.